Here is us, and here is marijuana rescheduling. And once again, they have pulled that carrot away. The hearing to determine whether marijuana should be moved from Schedule 1 to Schedule 3 has again been postponed, may be canceled. This is breaking news. I just read about this in Forbes and marijuanamoment.net, and I'm going to be citing them. I've got it all actually printed out here on a piece of paper. So to catch everybody up to speed on what has actually been going on, there was a hearing to actually hear evidence from opponents and proponents for and against moving marijuana from Schedule 1 to Schedule 3. That hearing wasn't even supposed to happen, but then it happened, and it was scheduled for a few months ago, and then it got moved because the DEA flubbed something up. I've done videos on all of this, so it was moved to next week as of the posting of this video, January 21st. It was supposed to start and take 2 months, and it just got canceled. And it got canceled because an issue with one of the groups, proponents of moving marijuana from Schedule 1 to Schedule 3, filed and said that the DEA was actually in collusion with somebody that was in the opposition of moving marijuana from Schedule 1 to Schedule 3. So here is the title of the article from marijuanamoment.net. DEA judge cancels marijuana rescheduling hearing amid legal challenges, pushing back reform for at least 3 months. So this is a 3-month at least cancel. So after it being recommended by the HHS years ago, and then the DEA finally getting around to agreeing, and then this hearing being put off now twice, we've got 3 more months at least to wait. So this completely blows out of the water that video that I made a few days ago about will marijuana be scheduled in 2024. It was the first time, and I've been doing those update videos at the beginning of each year, that I said yes, that it probably would. Now that is way up in the air, maybe completely out the window. All right, so the first hearing on Biden administration a marijuana rescheduling proposal that was set to take place next week has been canceled following a legal challenge from pro-reform witnesses. So these witnesses, so this wasn't the government that stepped in, it was pro-reform witnesses that accused the DEA of being in collusion with a group that was opposing marijuana reform. So while the DEA judge rejected the arguments from rescheduling proponents about how alleged improper communications and witness selection decisions by DEA administrator warranted the agency's removal. So they were trying to get the DEA to be removed from this process. So he rejected that, but he granted the request to for a leave to file an appeal, canceling the January 21st merit-based hearing and staying the proceedings for at least 3 months. So that is the update. I have no more information, but I wanted to get this out as quickly as possible, as I always do. Stay subscribed here. More updates when they come out. I will make update videos. All right, until next time, everybody, stay safe.